Hi everyone, this is Michael with the Central Kansas Library System. Today I'm going to show you how you can download an app onto your mobile device that you can use to access your local library, log in, check your account, place holds, and search the catalog. I'm going to be showing you how to do this on an Apple device, but you can also use a similar method on the Google Play Store. The first thing we want to do is open up the App Store on your device, and you want to search for an app called Aspen LiDA. That's L-I-D-A. That stands for the Aspen Library Discovery app. The developer is Bywater Solutions, and you can see there's the gray icon that you're looking for. We want to download the app. And once it's downloaded, we're going to open it. You'll see a loading screen. It will take some time to load. And in the opening screen, we can see it's asking us to select our library. By default, it's probably not going to allow location settings. You can go into your phone settings by tapping Update Settings to turn on location services. That's going to search for your nearest library. If you don't want to do that, you can go to Not Now, and then just do a manual search for your library. I'm going to tap on my library, the Central Kansas Library System. And now it's going to ask us to put in our username and password. For most of you, your username is going to be your library barcode number, and your password is going to be the password that your library set up for your account when you created it. So you can go ahead and type in your library card number here. If you have your physical library card with you, you can also go onto the right side of the screen, and you see we've got those black brackets with a barcode. If you tap on that, it will actually ask you to access the camera, and if you give it camera access, you can scan your library's barcode using your camera and it will autofill it. And then we just need to enter your library account password and then tap Sign In. If you've forgotten your password or you don't remember what it is, beneath the Sign In button, there's a link that you can tap that says Forgot Password. If you tap on that, it will ask you to put in your username, which again is probably going to be your library card number, or your email address, and then tap on Reset My Password, and you will get emailed a link to reset your library account password. Keep in mind, this is only going to work if you've already got an email address set up on your library account. So if you're not sure if you have that or not, contact your local library to make sure. Also, one thing I forgot to mention, if you are a library staff member, your username might be something different than your library card number. If you use your staff account and your personal account combined together, you can use your username that you use to log into the staff side of Koha. So now I'm going to tap on Sign In, and it looks like it accepted our login, and we're now in the app. You shouldn't need to log in again every time you use the app, and you can stay logged in, do searches and place holds whenever you need to. That's all for this video. If you want to learn more about how the app works, check out this video that's linked here.